Here we are with Silas today. He already told me that his food is a lot better than his mom's.
Well, not a lot. I said not a lot.
You said these fried taters are the best.
I said they're a little bit better than my mom.
Yeah, that's not what you said.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
When the camera was off, you said they were the best.
No, that's a lie.
You said
Lie.
Uncle Lou's the best.
Lies.
You were singing a song. Mom food sucks. Uncle Lou's is the best.
Yeah, you were singing it.
Mom food sucks. Uncle Lou's is the best food ever. Ain't that what he said, Nina?
No.
What?
See?
Nina, tell the truth.
No.
What?
I am.
He said Uncle Lou's is the best. Mom food sucks.
No more pain, no more swelling.
That's what you said, Sai.
It's a little bit better, but not a lot better.
Oh, so Uncle Lou's got better food than Mom, huh?
Just a little bit.
Because Mom doesn't cook as good as Uncle Lou, right?
She doesn't use deer meat, so.
Yeah, and she doesn't use fried taters, does she?
No.
Yeah, because she can't cook fried taters like I do.
She knows how, but.
But she won't do it? She won't do it, will she? That's
I
right, folks. Fried taters,
I don't know.
ketchup,
You go
and
ahead.
tongue pickles. Woo! Nina! My food's the best, ain't it?
No.
Is my fried taters good?
No.
What? Then give me what you got left.
Come get it. You can have them.
I'm not gonna make you no more ever again.
Okay.
Boy, you'd cry. Wouldn't she, Sai?
Enjoy beer.
Well, we're having fun here with Sai. He's
He-
eating the best fried taters he ever had in his life.
A little bit better than my mom's, okay? God
And
damn.
he said they're 10 times better than his grandmother's. He goes, Grandma don't cook nowhere near as good as Uncle Lou.
She does a little bit better than my mom's, but you do a little bit better than my grandma.
So I do a lot better than your mom. Right? Yeah. Your grandma, I'm way better than Grandma
Be
too.
quiet!
Grandma can't come close to Uncle Lou's food.
Yeah, she's really close, actually, because she cooks good. Grandmas usually cook the best.
Yeah, but not next to Uncle Lou.
She's,
Uncle Lou is the best!
she's like right behind you.
You're supposed to say, Uncle Lou is the best! And my mom's is. And my grandma's is. Next to Uncle Lou's.
And Lou will go in the trash for good.
And Uncle Lou's is the best because I'm eating it right now. If I was at Grandma's, I'd say hers was the best.
Mhm.
What do you think about that, Nina? He said that if you was at Grandma's, I said you'd say hers was the best. He said yes. There you go, folks. You got it right from Silas. What's his name? Silas Malias?
Silas
Parias?
Leo Godin.
Silas Leo Godin. That's how we say it, folks, right
That's
there.
my whole name.
That's your whole name?
Only Silas is my first name.
Only Silas is your first name? You don't know what my first name is, do you?
Wait. Lewis.
There you have it, folks. The best food in the world comes from Uncle Lou. Silas said so. As long as he's at my house.
No, I didn't.
Louie out. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up.
I will
Thumbs up.
grab that
Give
phone
me a comment.
and take it and throw it.
Oh no. I love you.
I love you.
There you go, folks. He loves me. Bye. Louie out.